30, 40 people, you know.
Yeah.
So he's like, yeah,
That sounds fun.
She ain't been racist to Texas. I said, well, what happened to Texas?
What happened there?
Well, you know, there's people from hubs from all over that do the relief.
Yeah.
So, you know, you got Texas relief, you got people coming hub over here, hub, and this state hub, and this state hub. So
Sounds like a fun adventure.
he's like, man,
I want to go.
she linked up with one dude
Uh-oh.
that was from a hub.
Wait.
Listen.
All right, go ahead. This should be fun. This should be
She linked
fun.
up with one dude from a hub, and I think he was from the Texas hub. I ain't sure. But I think he was from the Texas
Oh,
hub.
no.
She linked up with him. I guess he got the draws.
Is that right?
I guess he got the draws. And then the following day, she's in a hot tub crying. And everybody's
Oh.
wondering why. They find out he's done linked up with another chick.
Oh.
He ain't in here trying to get no serious relationship. He out here
That, he's trying to
have fun.
he's trying to slay.
Yeah, he on tour.
He got a double kill already.
And
Based on what you're
she's in a
saying.
hot tub, breaking down, crying.
Oh
I
no.
said, damn, all this happened after one night. I said, yeah, dude.
That's
It turned into a real situation where, you know, people got involved. And yeah, man.
See, this is why you shouldn't even do those things at all to begin with, because the more you have loose and liberal sex with people, you're giving a soul tie to that individual, and now you realize you just got played mercilessly like that.
Feelings,
Now you
yeah.
caught feelings, and now you're destroyed and devastated on the inside. That's rough, man.
And all your coworkers and everybody had to see it.
Oh, and everybody knows too.
Yeah, dude.
And now you're the talk of the town, and now your soul is kind of destroyed because Proverbs 6:32 says, he or she who commits adultery destroys his own soul. And now you got did really dirty by the person that you actually laid with. Oh my word, that's awful. Yeah, man, that's tough. That's tough, but that's what happens when you mess around like that and you find out.